the excavator, and I'm good at digging. I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. There's an emergency here. We need the truck team's help. Woohoo! I'm a crane. Count on me for this task. Crane, transform! Woohoo! Let's go! Full speed ahead! Go, go, go! Woohoo! You're finally here, truck team. Come with me. The vehicle fell into the pit. What should we do? I am the crane. Let me help you lift the vehicle. Task completed. My paint has faded. Help me with a new paint. Ooh. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. Bridge Road Roller, transform! Super Truck Team, let's set off. Come and complete the task with me. Let's go. You're finally here, Truck Team. Come with me. Truck Team, I'll count on you for this task. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work. Road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Truck bridge you have built, it's so amazing! Thank you very much!